Sounds like the people in that program would be really sharp, or at least have a more quantitative background. Can you tell me about like what people from that program typically go on to do? Is it kind of like what you did? You ended up going strategy and M&A, right? Is
Yeah,
that typical, or it sounds like that sounds more like an MBA type exit?
it's a bit atypical. Program, I think, to your point, I think it's a very high bar to get into the program. And I think it is an amazing opportunity to both learn different skills and learn from the different people in the program.
Mm-hmm.
And so, typical routes folks from the program go into is, operations role, supply chain at companies. Oftentimes, they accelerate very quickly in their career. They're leading kind of global supply chains for companies like Tesla, Apple, Borg Warner.
Almost like where the pinnacle is like the COO for one of these.
Yes,
Okay.
it really does kind of churn out that type of role.
Okay.
But that being said, I think the skills that you learn can be applicable across a lot of different industries. And I had other friends that went into more management consulting roles,
Okay.
some into investment banking, and then me that went into kind of more of a strategy and an M&A role.
So that's like a 1-year program?
Typically, it's, a combination of your undergrad and your master's. And so you take courses through your undergrad, and that's why
Okay.
you're able to finish it up in a 5th year.